Based on the fourth paragraph, which best explains why the original castles were first made from earth and timber? A. It takes a lot more time and energy to build a stone castle. B. It did not occur to people to build castles out of stone. C. People did not realize how weak wooden castles would be against fire. Or D. Wooden castles were prettier than dirty stone castles. Because our question is asking which of these best explains why the original castles were made from earth and timber, let's go through each choice and see if, based on the text, it makes a reasonable explanation as to why castles were originally made from earth and timber. A. It takes a lot more time and energy to build a stone castle. Because the text makes no mention of how long it took to construct a stone castle when compared to a wooden castle, this can simply be marked as incorrect. B. It did not occur to people to build castles out of stone. When the text mentions that wooden castles were gradually replaced by stone, it makes no mention of the concept that no one had thought of the idea to make them out of stone before. Because there's no real backing in the text for this answer, we can mark it as incorrect. C. People did not realize how weak wooden castles would be against fire. When the text describes the switch from wooden to stone castles, it says, wooden castles were gradually replaced by stone, which greatly increased the strength of these fortifications. Although it doesn't explicitly state that people didn't realize how weak wooden castles would be against fire, because the paragraph hints that they evolved into building stone castles for stronger fortifications, one can infer that had they known to begin with that wood wouldn't hold up against the enemies, they would have made them out of stone in the first place. We're going to keep an eye on this answer, but let's check out choice D just in case. D. Wooden castles were prettier than dirty stone castles. Again, nowhere in our text do we see the change from wooden castles to stone castles having anything to do with aesthetics. Therefore, we can mark this as incorrect, and we can mark C, people did not realize how weak wooden castles would be against fire, as our final answer.